Hey, can you see us? Can you hear me, City? Let's just hold it, honestly. Hey guys! You won't believe who we're with. I won't either because I don't know where he went. Oh, I found him. Look at him go. Order, girl, order. Girl, order. That is greedy. And we're getting abandoned. Welcome! We're gonna YouTube video. Derek, say hey. Hello. Dis Cookie. This is Dis Cookie. DC Dis Cookie. He's a controversial character among the masses. Oh, okay. Oh, I like that. Oh, you're serious. This is funny. This is weird. He's so funny. Oh, okay. Yeah.
What's up, everyone? I'm being held hostage.
YouTube, sideways.
Being held hostage. They keep calling me boss for some reason.
Because the guy called you boss.
Well, that's because to him I am. Thanks, guys.
Tell them what we're doing.
We're going hiking, which is great.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
No, we'll do a thumbnail on the mountain.
Okay.
Come
Yeah,
on.
that's Sorry,
Anyway, we're going for a hike. This is the first time Derek has seen us. In the right state of mind. Vlog update. Vlog update. Montage. You have to mute, Derek. Montage. Yay. Say it.
Montage.
Hey, look, Mom made it.
Hello, New York. Look at this view. Dogs.
Memorial Weekend Lake. Oh, look at it! Looking beautiful. Oh, look at this view. Look at this view. Oh, that was so cute. Good thing our friend is in ROTC or we would never be able to get out of here.
Okay.
So the sign, guess what the sign says?
Wow.
Amateur. Look at them go.
Something's happening.
Be kind to them, world. Oh, he was gonna catch you. Roblox Obby IRL.
Start jumping.
Roblox Obby.
I'm gonna fall.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Wait, my shoe's wet. It's okay.
Wait, I can't.
Yes, you can do it.
Scared.
Do the pointy one.
This is good.
So awesome. We went off-roading because our friend's at ROTC and he knows what's up and he has a compass. Do you like my nails? Sorry.
Now what? I'm scared. What a guy. Me? Oh,
Look how pretty.
be careful.
Don't do it!
It's not worth
Don't
it.
do it! I meant do it.
Gotta be great.
Mile one check-in.
How we feeling?
How you feeling?
Doing great.
Yeah.
Sweating. It's
Tripped
hot.
17 times.
We have to
Drop my
lie. We
loot.
have to lie and say we're going on a really long hike.
yeah. This is mile 10.
Yes.
Man, mile 6, what a rush. Honestly, a breeze. Been 40 minutes. Got a
Are you
crazy
recording?
pace going.
What a
Yeah,
stupid
we're at mile
question.
8 right now. We're just thinking.
No, next break. Yeah. Mile 17. Gonna set up camp for the night.
See you guys in the
We're
morning.
looking to continue tomorrow. We're gonna
There's
reach
a-
the summit
there's a-
in 2 days.
There was a bug in my hair.
On your back.
Oh my god. It was strawberry, bro. I fell in the water. Derek pushed me into the water. So, not doing too good off of that. But I think we're gonna survive. But, see you at mile 20. Mile 20 check-in. How do we feel?
Exhausted, but we're almost there. We got 20 more miles to go. We're halfway.
It's true.
It's a hot day, but you know, we're gonna think about setting up camp soon.
Okay, now get us. Get us.
All right.
All
How are you guys feeling?
Mile 20 check-in.
Mile 30, sorry.
Mile 30.
Yeah, we
made
just
it
walked
to
a
mile
little
30.
bit more in between that switch. Honestly, It's been rough, but there's nothing like the great outdoors.
I know you have the worst.
This is the craziest view ever. It was like just my chin span, I promise.
Dude, stop walking to me then.
Really
there we go.
game. Like, you just gotta get over that first hurdle, and then you know what? It's easy. I'm feeling so much better.
Bashful, bro. I don't know.
Don't know what a rose toy is.
Derek doesn't know what a rose toy is.
Of course I know what that is, dude. I bought it off TikTok Shop.
TikTok
40
shop
mile-
rose toy.
40-mile check-in. We're at the top right now. We're gonna go for another summit.
Once we reach the top, Derek's gonna get to try.
We're
the
rappelling
golden
off a
rose
cliff
toy.
and climbing back up that side again.
Yes.
All right,
That'd be
catch
good.
you there.
All right.
Mile 50 check.
Hey, look, Mom.
We made it.
So this is the morning.
What the heck?
Honestly, that's rough. Honestly.
Derek, don't fall. It'd be a shame. Oh my god, you're like getting too close. I'm nervous.
Oh my God, Derek, come back. Photo op.
No,
I'm
thank
not
you.
going down there.
With my luck,
It's like
No, stop.
there's stuff to catch you.
my balance hasn't been good recently. What? Did you guys leave your phone?
There's a phone here.
There's a phone over here.
I spent
Be a bad spot to lose it.
Well, where's my good deed of the day? Imagine we lost it over this. Oh my gosh, the show is on. How's everyone feeling?
100 miles one day was worth it. Every step.
I am scooting on over. What you got in there?
You guys want some pretzels?
No.
Enough for the pretzels. You dropped all your loot.
Alright, here's my shoes after only one tumble. Oh,
Sorry.
she just.
Made a mistake. Sorry.
What's going on with that one?
SpongeBob, big guy. It's okay.
I'm gonna stop with.
Guys, oh my God. This looks so fun to walk in. So yeah. So we're almost back at the end. Look at that view. Mile 99? Yep. Sorry, I have nothing meaningful to say. I'm sorry, okay? I have to walk in. Okay, we made it. Now we're waiting for the train. Just kidding. How was it, guys?
That was good. It only 100 miles, not our best work, but
Pretty rookie numbers this time.
honestly, it was
Yeah.
all about the time spent
Honestly,
together.
that's
Seriously, it's not about what you've done. It's about what you do with what you've done for
We stole
others. Oh, phew! I gotta flip it
Wow,
so
that
I can
was
see
like
it. Anyway, lots of fun.
That was
Lots of fun.
It was some serious bonding.
No,
Okay.
we.
Derek said I'm down to earth.
Derek said that I. What did you say?
Off road.
Wait, no, not important. Just like here he goes, always on some bullshit. Anyway,
always on
filling up our waters, going, pee, and then
Oh, that sounds so good.
we'll catch you later. Yeah, that does sound good.
Hashtag do that.
And look at how good this water looks. Wow,
Oh my
it's
God.
aggressive. Bang.
Dang.
Taste test, water taste test.
Crisp.
No, I'm kidding. It's good.
Ah! Hey, shake your water bottle.
Okay, it's been a hot minute.
Home.
What did we do? We finished our hike. We tried to go on a scenic route. There was nothing scenic.
Swing and a miss.
And then we.
Did you just burp?
It went in my throat and then I held it in.
Oh yeah.
We went to dinner. And then we drove home, and that was about it. But it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We spent more time with Derek today than we ever have before combined. But it was a lot of fun. Shout out Derek. He gave me a pair of socks, and I kept them.
Non-consensually, she kept
I don't think I was meant to. Can we ignore this? Anyways, hope you guys liked today's video. It was the first time doing anything like that.
Yes.
The girls are out of the city. We went worldwide. Anyway.
Out of state vlog, New Hampshire
Anyways,
vlog.
we just want to say a special shout out to our new subscribers because we have gotten a few more than usual.
We've been networking hard. See, we were gonna make a cake for 55. Girl, we're at 60.
Girl, we at 60. And you know what? Maybe after this one, we'll be at 65. So
Dropped all my day one, so now I just gotta ring out the rest of them, you know?
Yeah. Well, that's all we got. See you guys soon.
We're gonna start a hype house soon. Just like that.